Good evening.
Okay, can you see my file? Can you see my book?
No,
You cannot see it. Okay. I'll share to you the screen. Okay. Can you read the title?
why onions make you cry?
Okay. What is an onion, Jared?
Vegetable?
An onion is a kind of spices that we use in
Cooking?
very good cooking. But onion can make us cry, right? Okay, let's talk about some things that can make someone cry. Okay, can you see that? First one is the test. Can the test make you cry? If you have a low score in your test, do you
No,
cry?
no. A
Oh,
little
you
bit
don't
disappointing.
care. Come again?
A little bit disappointing.
Ah, I feel a little bit disappointed, but I don't cry. Again, I feel
I feel
a little bit
a little bit
disappointed.
disappointed, but I don't cry.
Okay, wow. It's good. Mistakes can be a teacher, a good experience. Next one, sad movie. Do you cry when you watch sad movie?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. Can you give me an example of the sad movie that you cried?
the Passion of Christ.
Oh, in what scene of the movie made you cry?
When Jesus got whipped by Romans.
Come again. I cried when.
Jesus got whipped by Romans.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's truly sad. Okay. How about music? Beautiful music.
No,
No, I don't cry. Okay. How about going to the dentist? The dentist will pull out your tooth.
no. It's not been
Mm,
painful.
it's not painful, so that's okay. How about roller coaster?
A little bit scary.
Roller coaster is a little bit scary. Okay, last one is the ghost house. Many children are scared of ghosts. How about Jared?
I'm not scared because I don't believe in them.
Very good. Ghosts are not real. It's only in our mind, right? Okay, let's read a story about why onion make us cry. Jared, do you cook?
No,
Oh, you don't. Who usually cook in your house?
my mom and my dad.
At what age is it okay to cook? In your opinion, at what age?
22 years old.
22? 22? Okay, what's the reason?
You have more skills cooking.
22 years old is okay to cook because,
You have more skills of cooking.
correct, and it's very safe to cook using gas or induction, right? Okay. Jared, can you read? I will read a story first and then you next, okay? Your mother is crying in the kitchen. Is she sad? No. She is cutting an onion. The onion is making her cry. Why? An onion is made of cells. When you cut an onion, the cells break down. Then a gas comes out of the cells. You cannot see the gas, but it stings your eyes. Your eyes do not like the gas. They are trying to wash it away with tears. So you cry. What can you do? Put an onion into the refrigerator or cook the onion first. Now cut it. See, you do not cry. If you are in hurry, here's another idea. Wear goggles. Okay, you. Can you
Mother is
read?
crying. Your mother is crying in the kitchen. She is sad. No, she is cutting an onion. The onion is making her cry.
Her cry.
Why? An onion is made up of many cells. When you cut an onion, the cells break open, then gas comes out of the cells that you cannot see. The gas. But it stings your eyes. Your eyes do not like gas. They are trying to wash it away with tears, so you cry. What can you do? Put the onion in the refrigerator or cook the onion first. Now, cut it. See, you do not cry. If you are in a hurry, there's another idea. Wear goggles.
Okay, what are some ways, Jared? So we cook and we do not cry. What are some ways that we have to do?
Wear goggles.
Another? Okay, first one, you can wear goggles. Wearing goggles. Another.
Put the onion in the refrigerator.
Correct. Very good. There's another one. There are three ways that the book shared to us, the tips on how to cook without crying.
Wash it.
Cook the onion first. Okay? We have three ways. Put it in a refrigerator. Cook the onion first. And wear goggles, right? Okay, which of the three ways do you have or do you want to follow?
Wear goggles.
Why do you choose this?
It's safer and preventing you from crying.
It is safe to use and what?
Preventing you from crying.
It can prevent you from crying. So you can wear these goggles, right? Okay, let's answer the comprehension.
The passage is mainly about A. Why you cry while eating onions. B. Why you cry while cutting onions. B. Why you cry while cutting onions.
Very good. Okay, number two.
Gas comes out of blank. Onion cells. A.
Okay, A, onion cells. Number three,
Put the onions in the blank before cutting. Refrigerator.
in the refrigerator. What happens again when we are going to put the onion in the refrigerator?
It loses its gas.
Okay, and we do not cry. Okay, next one, you answer true or false.
The
Number
color of
four,
the color of the onion gas is yellow. False.
why? What's the color of the
You can see it
gas?
because it's visible.
Okay, transparent. Okay, number five.
Your tears wash away the onion gas. True.
Okay, it's true. Can you tell me again, Jared, what have you learned in the story today?
I learned that onions can make you cry while cutting it.
Okay, very good. So, what do we have to do to avoid crying? What do we have to do?
Put it in the refrigerator.
First, we can put it in the refrigerator. Another.
Second, we can cook it directly.
Okay, and the other one,
Wear goggles.
wearing goggles, which is something that you have to follow. Okay, very good, Jared. That's it for today, and see you tomorrow. Bye.